Here's how to use the AI schedule assistant to copy work hours to multiple days. So first we're going to go into a service. We'll select this one here, click the three little dots, and select Edit. Inside the service editor, we'll come to the Schedule tab, and you see here AI Schedule Assistant. So we'll select Try It Out. In the AI Schedule Assistant, you can describe your availability, and the AI is going to set up your schedule for you. So for example, if we want to do Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a break from 12 to 1 p.m. Then you can select Generate Schedule, and you can see the AI successfully generated that schedule for us. We're working from 9 to 5 with a break from noon to 1, Monday through Friday. Now, if you want to copy that schedule to multiple days, just say we also want to add on Saturday here. You can select Copy Times to other days, and you can select all of the days that you would like it to apply to. So you can select Saturday, click Apply, and you can see that that time also applied to Saturday. When you're finished, all you do is click Save Changes, and you've just used the AI schedule tool to adjust your schedule.